I'm an entrepreneur in the life sciences industry. I started Portal Innovations mainly because there was an unmet need in emerging marketplaces like Chicago, where companies were desiring the opportunity to start and build here, emerging from regional universities. And we didn't have the infrastructure in place to be able to build those companies, nor do we have really the startup capital that was required to get those companies underway. Knowing how hard it is to build a laboratory, to operate a laboratory, to raise money, and then to build a biotechnology company that ultimately has an aim to go from discovering a new drug all the way to the patient that suffers from various diseases. I felt like Portal was the right model to be able to start, launch, and scale those companies in places like Chicago.
I haven't seen a place yet in my 25 years where you can be with other companies who are starting up, who have the same kind of challenges you might have, who have the same needs that you have, and that you also can have access to the vivarium and you can have access to people who've been in drug development for so long. This is the place to be. And if they're looking at any other space, Portal should be their number one choice.
Through the utilization of the space for our meetings, through the networking events, from some of the life science networking events here to the career networking events, just kind of utilizing all of what Portal has available has enabled us to grow as a company.
I like to think of Portal Innovations as the heart of the biotech healthcare ecosystem. When I think of the heart, it's about bringing the essential pieces together, and that's exactly how I see Portal Innovation. It's such a great ecosystem, bringing together universities and others in the area, building similar healthcare and biotech companies. So it was no-brainer for us to relocate the company, relocate our headquarters here. It's truly, I like to tell people, I manifested Portal Innovations because in my head, this was the perfect place for us to build.
Portal is positioning to recognize that great ideas come from everywhere, and creating local ecosystems, almost like a farmer's market, to those strong innovators is the vehicle we'll use to be able to support and benefit from investing in these new companies that are emerging. Portal is looking to invest in those companies that, if successful, could really have a transformative impact on diseases that are not currently being treated.